Okay, I need an autoresponder right shortly for this new website that teaches people how to build a WordPress website. And I highly recommend Pure Leverage. No ifs, no ands, no buts about it. We do need an autoresponder, and Pure Leverage pays you back really quick if you refer people to them. So let's go log into our account. Alright, here we are in the back office. Scroll down and click Level 1 Marketing Suite. Click on Autoresponder, Campaigns, Add Campaign. Now you name this what your campaign is going to be about. Now your description. In my case, it'll be, this is the newsletter for the Build a Site with WordPress course. Your from name, type in your name. This is about branding you. Your from email. I would use your own domain name email. Notification email. This is up to you, but I'm using the same. Now your unsubscribe text. Type this in. Click here to stop receiving this newsletter. And activation text. I like click here to confirm your interest in making money online. Now your company name. This depends on your company, of course. John Jarvis Training works for me. Website URL, put your website URL, of course. Notify about new subscriber, and add. Now the campaign is actually made. There are a couple of more steps to have it activated and working properly, and I'll be right back with instructions on how to do that. Okay, every time you log into your Pure Leverage back office, and you're this section, this is going to start off with the alphabetical order. So what you want to do is make sure that you're on the right autoresponder every time. And this is something it took me a while to catch on, and I made a lot of mistakes a couple of years back when I first started using this. So when you're on your proper campaign, you can click here to edit it, which I don't need to do right now because I just made it. What you want to do is go to your messages, and you want to click on your opt-in message. Now what you want to do is change this whole thing right around. Welcome to your WordPress website course. Subscriber's full name. I'm going to change that in a minute, but one thing that you want to do is get rid of these exclamation points. The internet and emails see those exclamation points as spam, and chances are you're going to get thrown in someone's spam folder a lot quicker if you have these in there. So get rid of them. Now let's scroll down to the bottom, and right here you change this to click here to confirm your interest in campaign name. So when they get this email, it's going to say click here to confirm your interest in Welcome to your WordPress website course. And that's what they call double opt-in. And what you want to do here is just copy it, back up here, paste it here, and right here we don't want subscriber's full name. The first name is what you want. This is the part where you start to develop a connection or a bond to your subscribers. Right from the very first message you send through to your subscribers, make sure you start to connect with them. And the way we change this, if you scroll down here, you can see right here what these would look like. Click Go. Copy this. Highlight this and paste this here. Now what we need to do is copy this and put it back where I just deleted it from. Now what you want to do is update this, and you want to click on Edit, You scroll down and you click test. Always test. Now this email that you just created, or the welcome email, should arrive in your email box shortly. So go check it and make sure that it's what it should be. And I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to come back and take you to the next lesson. There are 1 or 2 more short steps we need to go through yet. Alright, we've just created our Pure Leverage Autoresponder, and I'm always going to start from the dashboard. So from here we just scroll down again. Level 1 Marketing Suite, Autoresponder, and again make sure you're on your right one. Let's go to Messages, and from here let's click on Forms, and click here to create new form. Name your form. Do this so that you can actually keep track of it, and you can choose an English male or an English female voice, and normally the female works better. And you can click here to view the thank you page, and you can click here to
Congratulations! You're almost done. You have just been sent an email with a confirmation link. Please visit your email now and click that link to activate your subscription. Thank you.
That's what your potential subscribers are going to hear. And you have the option of adding an already subscribed thank you page. For instance, if someone were already subscribed to that particular list, this would send them to that page. You can add ad tracking if you want. I'm not going to. Highly advisable to leave this set as double opt-in. And instead of full name, people are more apt to subscribe to your list if it's just first name. Just first name and email. And on your submit button, you can leave it at submit, or you can change it to click here, and then you create. Right here you can edit it, preview it. We'll do that. This is what the form's going to look like on your website. It's very simple, and that's all you need. And here's the click here text that we just put in. This is the HTML code that we're going to grab shortly. This is a Facebook button. This is a popover window, and here you can delete it. So to put this onto your website, what you want to do is grab the HTML code. Simply copy that. Open up a WordPad document. I like WordPad for some reason. I always have. And this is the HTML coding that you put on your website right here. I'll be back with the next step shortly. Okay, whatever you do, you want to make sure that you're going to test this. So let's go pick up this HTML coding, copy it, and go to one of your websites. Log into your dashboard, and something that I always do is have a test page. I never publish it, I just leave it on drafts, mind you. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. Edit. Now I make sure I'm in text, and let's paste that code right there. Let's save the draft. Let's preview it. And this is what it looks like on the theme that I use. It'll look different depending on which theme you use. Just enter in your name and an email address, and click here. Watch what happens.
Congratulations! You're almost done. You have just been sent an email with a confirmation link. Please visit your email now and click that link to activate your subscription. Thank you.
Okay, you just became a subscriber on your own list, which is a good idea. So let's go to that email account so that you can see what your subscriber is going to see. And I use my Gmail, so let's log into Gmail. This is what your subscriber would receive. And they need to click here to confirm their interest in making money online, like I showed you in the other video. And then when they click this, they get your redirect page link. So you need to think of all this. Where do you want to send people to when they confirm? And for the campaign that I chose, which is for this, I will probably make the change myself. So that's it for this. One more thing that you want to do probably is send them a follow-up email immediately, and I'll be back shortly to show you how to do that. Okay, before we continue on with the Pure Leverage lesson here, I want you to notice how I'm video splitting up my videos to help me rank. And I want to go to my email account and show you, if you set up your account right, you're going to get a confirmation message like this. It's going to say a new subscriber just opted in. You click on that, it's going to say the name of the person who subscribed and the email address. So let's go back to Pure Leverage and I'll show you how to add a follow-up message. Okay, and starting from the dashboard again, go to Level 1 Marketing Suite, go to Autoresponder, make sure that you're on the right campaign, messages, you want to add a follow-up. From here you can send it after 1 day or 2 days or whatever, but I want this to go out immediately to them. And right here I'm going to put welcome to your WordPress training, and here's a bonus for you. And right here you would insert field, scroll down, first name. So it's going to say welcome to your WordPress training, and here's a bonus for you, Jim or Joan or Sue or whoever. Now you want to go down and create a message down here, and the message should read something like this. Okay, and we want to place their first name here. Again, this is making connections, right? So we want to find first name right here. So this is going to say, thank you for grabbing this free training, Jim. Here's a bonus for you if you happen to use videos as one of your marketing methods. Videos will help your website rank very fast in search engines if you use them properly. I made a free video training series and you can find it at this link. Now highlight this, copy it. Always fill in the bottom here the text message first, at least I do. Paste it right here. And highlight this again, and from here you can modify this message. I like using Arial. And font size I use 4, make it nice and big for people to read. And I make sure that the first name is inserted right here. Now let's add it. Now as soon as someone opts into this message, they're going to get the initial message that I just showed you, plus they're going to get this message right now. And I may as well test it. And I'll be back in a few minutes and finalize this little training series here. Okay, first let's go to my email and we'll see the message that came through. And I see it must be in spam. Here it is. This is the test message. And if this were a test message, if this were the real message, it would have my first name here and here. So thank you for grabbing this free training, first name. Alright, that's working good. So how to use this HTML coding. Okay, you could put it underneath the video. You could actually use the right tool and add it right to the video. You can add it in a sidebar. Or you can write a page or a post. Let me check this one I'm making up right now. Let's preview this. And I'm going to add these videos right here actually. And down below this, I could add this autoresponder code any place right in here and say for a free gift, join this list. So that is how to use the Pure Leverage system, and that's my review of it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Bye for now.